and welcome back to the channel. So we've talked about buying another BMW for my channel, a car that I can really enjoy. Now granted, I do enjoy the 335i, but I want to take it to the next step further. So in this video, we're going to talk about my list of the cars that I'm actually really considering to make a move on here actually pretty soon. It's been a long road coming, so I've been sourcing all these just to kind of get a general price range, of course. But I did a little kind of a voting poll on my community tab, if you see it on YouTube. So I appreciate you guys voting there. This video is obviously to continue that with those very same cars. Very curious to see your guys' feedback on the car list. All right, first car on the list is the 2014 and above S63 TU engine ones, F10 BMW M5. I've always been a big fan of the F10. Love the style. Always liked the style. Good power plant of the S63 TU was on my list. Now, of course, everybody was all, worried about the N54 and how expensive it was and maintenance costs and all that. And that's what I did here on this channel to really prove that, it's not all that bad. So the reason with the M5 is I wanted to go down that route, of course, to, showcase as far as, hey, here is a car, here's how you work on it, DIYs and all that kind of stuff. So guys, when I'm going through the list here, it's all considered cars that I'd be doing all kinds of videos on, new videos as far as, as track videos go, everything. So I want to take it to that next level as far as, content and stuff like that with any of these particular cars. All right, number 2 on the list is a G30 540i. Now the G30 540i's have the B58, so a few of my cars have the B58 on the list. So you get the 4-door car and still the B58, doing all those videos there. All right, number 3 on the list is an F30 340i. So just like the 540, the 340 is the 3 Series with the B58. So you got, very common F30 series. A lot of people have the F30. Always been a fan of the F30. It's a great chassis car and stuff like that. And of course, with the B58. Number 4 is the X5M. The X5M with S63 TU. So just like the M5 2014 and above, this will be the 2015 and greater X5M that came with that engine, of course. So you get the, the powerful S63 TU, just like I mentioned, like in the M5, still an M car, but an X5, basically. So just another different dynamic of things, something different, of course, and, still plenty powerful. And the 5th car on my list is a 2016 X3 M40i, which brings in the X3, SUV type of chassis, but with the M40i is the B58. So yet another B58 engine. Now it's kind of 3 to 2 as far as 3 have the B58 type of engine, right? That can relate to multiple videos. Or you have more of the smaller kind of presence of a S63 TU with those videos and, that engine. So curious to see like what you guys' thoughts are. Votes, of course. Like I said, if you already voted in the poll that I had, thanks again. If you want to drop your comments again, that's cool as well. All right, well, drop them down in the comment section below. I'm really curious to see what you guys have to say, what your thoughts are. This is a car that I want to, like I said, take it to the next level. And when it's starting out, I've always liked the F10 and 5 and stuff like that. So just to let you guys know, if you haven't seen it yet, the car that is actually number 1 on the list as far as from the votes, there's like 1,300 votes, so that's actually awesome, was the F10 M5. I was actually a little kind of surprised that more people chose that one. Now the F30 340 was coming close to 2nd place, so it definitely had votes there. But I guess I figured it was going to be the F30 that was going to really win the votes big time. So it's kind of split between, honestly, those two as far as, what cars, as far as, car content and all that kind of stuff. So very interesting to see. All right, guys. Well, definitely let me know your feedback. And, thanks again for stopping into the channel, of course. More updates to come here and some DIYs that I'm trying to edit at the moment, and some stuff that you guys will definitely enjoy. All right, big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other informational videos that I have here on the BMW market. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a great start to your weekend. Take care.